guys, RETROCENGO here, welcome back to my channel. Before we do anything, I'm gonna show you I have these here and the other arm here. Now this is not, anti-static stuff, this is not gauge thing, no. Coronavirus, lockdown, I have to wear these with some metal inside, so my arms and all that, so I work out during the day, so I have these one on 8 to 10 hours of every day. So when you look at this, I just have to wear them, alright? And I have nothing against gay people, no, nothing like that. I just have to wear these, okay guys? Okay, so that was that. Let's look at this Amiga 500, guys. Now I was actually looking through my Amiga 500's computers. I was reorganizing everything, and all of a sudden I saw this little label that says Amiga 500 Plus. Now, I remember maybe a year ago or something like that, I bought this Amiga and I forgot everything about it. I bought this one from one of my subscribers, one of you guys from my Facebook group, Commodore 64 Amiga, RETROCENGO, and it was really cheap. I think I paid 500 Danish or something like that, 500 crowns, it's like 50 euros or something like that. Peanuts for an Amiga 500 Plus. The thing is, it just got stored. Now usually the Amiga 500s, no problem. But these Pluses has got the Varta battery included. And I don't know if the owners before took out the Varta battery. If not, it could have a lot of damage inside, guys. So I'm just gonna make this video really fast because I just saw this. This video can't wait. It's late night. I'm gonna be pretty quiet. But I am going to film this, and the purpose of this video is if you get one of these, if you don't have the time to, take everything out, unsolder and all that, then I will show you how to just open these Amiga 500 Pluses, also Amiga 2000s, and in a simple way just cut them off. Not something I would recommend. The best thing, it has got 3 points you just have to heat up and you can just pull off the battery, unsolder it the proper way. But today we're gonna do it the improper way. Just cut it off so we can, take care of it later. So let's just go ahead and open this beauty together. So how do you open one of these Amiga 500 Pluses? We have 6 screws down here, 3 here and 3 at the front. They usually come with labels, as you can see here. If this is sealed, if this is sealed, if the front is sealed, then your Amiga has probably never been opened before. But this one has been opened. That's a good sign. That means high probability that the battery has been removed, but I'm not sure, guys. Just a simple trick when you want to buy one of these. Of course you will look at the cosmetics, look at the keyboard, which country you live in. This is, as you can see, this one has got the Danish layout. I don't give a rat's beep about that, but some people do, and that's just fair enough. So look at that, look at the cosmetics and all that. But what's much more important is actually look at this shield here. It has to be silver, shine and bright, not oxidated, no rust, no nothing like that. That's a good sign, guys. So let's just go ahead and open this one. Now it can have these Phillips screws, and this uses torque. So let's just go ahead. Actually, on my last video, I found out about, in my video editing program, how to fast forward. Now it took me just about a year to find out about it. Now you know how much interested I am in using a new PC, guys. I am RETROCENGO. I like using my time on these old computers. I've been asked, why don't you make, gameplay videos where I emulate, an Amiga or Commodore 64. Guys, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna bother with emulators. If I play on my TV, I can film it, and that's about it. I'm not an emulator. Yeah. And if you are, more power to you. I don't know, I just like the old hardware. Maybe I'm an oddball, I don't know, but I like the stuff. Alright guys. You can actually also easily, if you have a key in your pocket, just do something like this and see if it has got an expansion. Now this one has no expansion, but here and yeah. These Amiga 500s. It's late, that's why my voice is like that. They have 512 kilobyte of expansion, the Amiga 500s, and these Plus models, they can actually have 1 megabyte of RAM expansions. Also important, open here and look at these. As you can see, this card, the battery has been removed, but if you take a little closer look, can you see the green stuff here? That means a lot of battery juice, and sometimes that battery, as you can see, the green stuff are on these legs and in here, and then on the legs here and further into the motherboard. The battery from this card can go through all these connectors and into the motherboard. So check that out, guys, when you buy an Amiga 500. Amiga 500s are still really cheap, extremely cheap. The big box Amigas like the 3000, 4000 prices are up there. The Amiga 1200s are going up there. These are the next that will go up, I don't know, sometime, but they will get more and more expensive. I'm pretty sure about that, guys. But as of right now, for the price, these Amigas, they're just so much joy for the money. And if you find something like this, buy it. Trust me on that. Just buy all the pluses you can, because they're just beautiful, guys. I love them, Amiga 500 Plus. All right. I'm talking too much today. Sorry. So we just pull this one out. There we go. Carefully check out the keyboard. Looks nice. All right. Well, the RF shield. As I can see, no rust, no corrosion. Looks beautiful. That's what we love. All right, so we have 4 more screws, and then let's just take them off. And as you can see, the length of the screws are about the same, so I really hope the battery is off, guys. I can't bear to see more varta damage. Yeah, let's just cross our fingers that everything is okay. I don't know, I just have so much love for these Amiga 500 Pluses. This one's off. Simple stuff, guys. All right, then you just have to bend a couple of these, as you can see here. Here, and you can actually take off this shield. You don't need it, just take it off so your Amiga can get rid of the hot air inside. So don't need it. When you do stuff like this, use an ESD thingy. I don't know what they're called. Don't do it like this, guys. I'm just gonna put this down. Oh, it's just so shiny. And 3, 2, 1. We have a battery inside. And it looks okay. Hey. Okay. Look at it over here. Blue, greenish. But it's just around the battery. Nothing to see on the legs. Oh, that's just nice. And the other side. Okay. The other side has leaked over here. So this one has to be neutralized ASAP, guys. So what you are going to do is actually get something to cut with. Okay, this is my little tool here. We have some LED light because it's just too dark. It's late hours, guys. Do remember those nights when you played Civilization on your Amiga? You had to go to school the next day, but you just had to take one more round. Those were the best nights, man. Don't do it like this, okay? Use a soldering iron, but I'm just gonna show you. Oh, I hate these. Now, actually, these ones, they're different. This is, let me see the ICs. Yeah, mid 1991. But there are different versions of these barrel batteries. Some of the dark blue ones, where it says varta, they leak much more. So this is actually all right. And let's look at the. As you can see here, oh man, oh man, oh man. We have some green dough here and at the other side, but this is actually pretty nice. Now you're thinking, why is it nice? It has got some battery juice. I'm saying it's nice because some of the Amiga 500 pluses I have seen, oh man, they have leaked battery. This socket destroyed. All these ICs, the audio filter, everything destroyed. These two, this one down here, the connector, all this area, they're used to. Yeah, they can be destroyed, guys, but this one looks really nice. When I neutralize this area, when I unsolder these three points and neutralize and clean up ISO, this Amiga is one of the Amigas that I'm gonna keep. And I only keep really nice Amigas, guys, and this is just, I'm just taking it out. This is really nice. 68,000, 2.04 kickstart ROM, 1 megabyte of chip RAM. Beautiful. The Amiga 500 Plus comes with 1 megabyte of chip RAM, and the best part is with one of these. Let me see. Amiga 500 Plus. Look at this. 1 megabyte. You just install it here. You know what, guys? This Amiga 500 Plus has got 2 megabytes of chip RAM now. That's why I love it so much. Alright, and if we look further over here, as you can see here, the FedEx 8375. Beautiful. And it's got the newest version, Denise, and all that, guys. So it's time to give this beauty some power. Let's give it some power and see what's gonna happen. Bam! Light. That's nice. Alright. So we have Kickstart ROM 2.04. And I think the 2.05 is required if you have a hard disk on the Amiga 600 if you want to boot. Oh, the disk drive. I don't know if it works. Yeah, it reads. Nice. Guys, look at this. Look at this beauty. 2 megabytes of chip RAM. That's why I love the Amiga 500. Of course, because of the chip RAM. Of course, it's newer than, you know, the standard Amiga 500s. And it has got the newest Denise, so it can have, you know, higher resolution. I don't use that. But that's nice also. So, yeah, it's just, I love it. All right. RAM's all right. Okay. Keyboard. Nice. And this is revision 8A, so no, it does not have red LED. It has got green. Oh, come the F on. The reset buttons are dead. This keyboard is just junk. Man, when I bought this, I was told it was perfect, but Enter doesn't work. Oh man. Yeah, it is what it is. Audio. Beautiful. Video. Nice. Oh man, I can't even reset. That's just a bummer. So let's just turn it off. Move the keyboard, man. I'm gonna install another one because, yeah, you can repair them. I have other videos where I show how to repair these guys. So, yeah. Let me see, what's this? Let's just enter Workbench somehow, some way. Kickstart 1.3, that's important. My Red Sector Demo Maker demo. Sysinfo, guys, we're gonna try that. We have sound. There we go. Look at this. That can happen if you turn off and on fast, as I did. All right, Sysinfo, guys. Let's check that one out. Boot Protector 1989. Nice. Skywolf is back with a new tools disk, so use it. We're using it. That's actually the real-time clock. We just took the battery off. It uses the clock. I need the keyboard for this. Beautiful. My bad. We're gonna install this one back again. No, I'm not gonna cut the video. I'm just gonna show you. There we go. That's how we install the keyboard. As you can see, it lights up now. Beautiful, right? Oh, that loading sound. Sysinfo 2. Oh, this is Sysinfo 3.1. It's a really old version, so 2 seconds, guys. Maybe the one in here is 4.0, a tad newer. Let's try that. And enjoy the loading sound. Sysinfo 3.01. All right. All right, that should be it. She support. Nice. Okay. There we go. Look at the top, guys. Look at the chip RAM. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. So this she Denmark something something with the Amiga 1000 here. There were some kind of suppliers from Denmark. DW disk mount disk fix PC format readme power packer sysinfo and dcopy. Snoop does. Let's just try out sysinfo. I hope it's a newer version than 3.0. Oh! Look at this! Sysinfo version 2.70. Oh man, this is an old one. Australia. Great Amiga users in Australia. I love you guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. A lot of love from Denmark to Australia. Alright, Kickstart version. I don't know this one. This is fun to watch, man. I don't have the old 40 library. Alright. I'm just gonna watch and learn together with you guys. Total chip RAM free. Total memory 2 MB. Hardware clock found. ECS 2 MB. Oh, Denise ECS 8373. It's a PAL Amiga 68000 CPU. Carrier revision, RAM-C revision. Oh man, select a gadget. CA accuracy, alright. So we can quit, we can just check out memory. Nice, man. 2 MB of chip RAM, beautiful. We can check out boards, no boards installed. Nice. We can check drives, but no hard disk installed. Now remember, this is only 2.70. It's an old one, guys. And speed. I like that green button icon that says, you know, select a gadget. It's computing speed. All right. So look at this. It says actually here, CIA accuracy passed. All right, floppy drives 1. What's this? RAM speed versus chip plus 0%. All right. It's a basic Amiga. No, it's not. It's a plus, man. This is a beautiful Amiga. All right, standard Amiga 500, yes. We don't have the, you know, the graphs and all that on this old version, but I like it. As you can see, the newest Amiga is the Amiga 1000, and that came in 1990. So this program is, yeah, maybe from 89, maybe. IBM PC XG is 3. What? No FPU. Okay, Amiga 3000 PPNS 68040 0.02. Oh my goodness. I like this. You know what, guys? This makes me want to do something like this. And turn it on again. And because I'm only used to revision 4.0, so let's just check out. This one was 2.70, and this is 3.01, I think it was. So let's just you know, document these older versions of sysinfo. As you all know, I love to document as much Amiga as possible. So yeah, we have some great stuff here. Again, D copy, X copy, blah blah blah. Where is? There we go. Sysinfo 17. Oh, enter. The big enter doesn't work. Beautiful. This is from Alan Wolf. Okay, 3.01. As you can see, we have the graphs now. Beautiful. That was an old version, guys. Oh, it doesn't have the... They could have included somewhere. Select a gadget. I like that. But yeah, evolution. The next... Oh, as you can see on this one, it says dry stones, and it has libraries, devices, resources, ports, tasks. Nice. Again, yeah, it shows Denise. It has, I like the graphs here. Makes it a lot easier, you know, guys. But other than that, again, memory boards, yeah. But, you know, with time they show more and more stuff. Yeah, this is a short video of the Amiga 500 Plus. How to just remove the battery. Now I will just I will check off the motherboard now, and I will start, you know, neutralizing that area, because well, taking this one off, of course, it's the most important thing to do, of course. But after that, I have the time to clean this board, so I will go ahead and do so, because I mean, these Amigas, they're just, I love them, guys. Yeah, loose. Beautiful. Okay, Turrican 1 can actually run with the Kickstart 2.0. That's nice, with 2 megabytes of chip RAM. Not all games will run from floppy disks, that is, or go-check drives. You will have some headache, man, if you don't use the old Amiga 500 with Kickstart ROM 1.3. Isn't this beautiful? It's fully working. We have sound, we have picture. The keyboard, yeah, it is what it is. I'm not the kind of guy that, you know, writes back and say, hey, what's going on? So I haven't got the permission to say the seller's name, but you know who you are. You're probably watching the video now, and it's all good. I'm so happy. No problem. It is what it is, man. It's just you know, 30-year-old hardware, so yeah, what can you expect? This disk loading sound, I can't explain how much I love this stuff. I actually never saw Turrican 1 when I was a kid back then on the Amiga. I only saw Turrican 2, so this one is new for me. The music, everything is just, it's not as, I mean, the graphics and all, it's not as good as the Amiga, the Turrican 2 version, but still it's highly, highly enjoyable, guys. So I have auto fire on my zip stick. On Turrican 2 we have power up over here. Oh, one up, okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Oh. Alright guys, I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. I hope you learned just a bit today. So nothing more from me to you, other than just a bit of Turrican 1 gameplay, guys. So if you want to watch that, go ahead and do so. If not, quit and enjoy some of my other videos. Man, it's a nice game. Did you see the background? Got just a bit darker. I mean, this game runs on, 512 kilobytes of RAM. Oh no. I'm gonna die. Oh. How could they program this to run on 512 kilobytes? It's incredible. Oh. Give me some power up, man. Drill, shield, power up, laser. Oh. Yeah, the laser shots are powerful. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh, I like this. We just need to... That's nice. It's late night, guys, so that's about it. What now? Oh, wait. Space. Oh, you don't have the... There we go. You're dead. Oh, can we... Yes, we can. Oh, it's nice. Space is working on this keyboard. I love this music, man. I love this music. Oh damn! Oh. Yeah. A lot of lightning. Looks nice. Ooh. And I'm playing with the zip stick with auto fire on. My absolutely favorite joystick. I wish I had it back in the 90s. I had a really cheap joystick back then on my Commodore 64, and then I reused it on my Amiga. I was a little kid back then, guys. So this Amiga stuff, all these games on WHD load and all these joysticks and accelerator cards and everything is it's new for me. I love it. I really enjoy it. It's just, I'm so lucky. P, what's that? Whoa. Shield. Come on, here we go. And laser. There we go! Yeah. Damn, I'm good. Look at the sprites, everything. Look at the animation. Look at the speed. Look at the size of the level. Listen to the music. Look at the graphics. Look at the... I mean, the Amiga was just incredible back then, man. Ahead of his time. Custom chips, everything. I mean, nobody could compare with the Amiga. Graphical change. Oh, P is for energy. Power up. We're stuck here. Whoa. Exit. Nice. the music. As I said earlier, I'm used to Turrican 2, music from Turrican 2. So this is just, oh man, it's good. I have some, viewers on my YouTube channel that don't play games, but, love the hardware and all stuff like that. I will just say try Turrican 1 and 2, also 3. If not, just get the music and listen to it in your car or something like that, because damn, it's good. Whoa. I think that was it. Oh. What the hell? Some of you guys are sitting there thinking, no, don't go that way, go that way. But guys, I don't know this game. Yeah. I'm so impressed. I mean, look at the speed. Oh, something here. Oh, all right. It's loading. Something new's coming up. It's the boss. Guys, wait. This music, I know this one. This is just perfect. So this is, I don't know, World 2 or something like that. It's amazing, guys. I love this. Oh, it's from here. Alright, guys, I want to say, if you're still with me, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Oh, I'm stuck. What now, man? This way? What do I do? Oh, this music. I don't care if I'm stuck because I love this music. Here? No. Maybe I shouldn't have shut the platforms over here. Maybe I'm stuck. I don't know, guys. Until next time, check out some of my other videos. Have a great day out there. Bye.